Alright, what's up guys? This is DIY Arch. We are going to go over the cooling system in your car. So we'll go ahead and start here at your antifreeze, your coolant here, where it goes into the reservoir. It's going to go through here, it'll cool off, come down here, get pulled into your pump. Your pump is going to send it through your motor. It'll also send it through your heater. That way, in case you need to heat your car, that thing will be working there. And then once it goes through your car, it'll go to your thermostat. That's the piece that sometimes goes bad. It ain't too hard to replace though. So if it's too hot, this thing will let the water or the antifreeze flow. If it's the right temperature, or if it's getting too cold or whatnot, then it'll stop it or go whenever it needs to. And then it's just the cycle. It comes right back into your reservoir, goes through all those grates that are sitting at the front of your car, and right back through the process again to your pump, through your engine while your pistons are going, cooling it down, then bringing it right back to the reservoir and keeping it cool. So make sure all these pieces here are nice and clean, and that'll keep your engine running cool. Make sure all your belts are tight, that way it ain't slipping anywhere. Make sure that thermostat is doing good, very important. Pretty inexpensive. Let's take to a shop, probably cost you at least a couple $100. But if you can do it yourself, you can do it for like $50. And make sure your hoses are good. If they're real squishy feeling, time to replace those. All these hoses, you'll see them, they're all connected to these areas. Make sure your clamps are good. Also make sure all your caps and everything are all proper. Make sure these aren't eroded. Check them when it's all cooled off. If you're going to take this one off, make sure the vehicle is completely cooled off. This one's under pressure, but there's a rubber seal that goes underneath there that when that goes bad, it could start leaking and give you issues. So just make sure all them caps and everything are good to go, and that's how your water system works in your car. This is an old school engine, but it's pretty much the same theory on all the cars. So just make sure you put that antifreeze. It's important. Just don't run on water. So that's the way she goes, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notifications, and follow. Tell your friends about this. And we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, we're out of here.